Hi guys, welcome to another video. We are playing C.A.T.S. And no, I'm not taking this special offer. In the last one, I just got a lot of things, which I really like this surfer. That's cool. It has 3 wheels.
You need the giant wheel because you won't pick up yourself.
That's it.
You won't pick up yourself.
Wait, does that? No, that doesn't have 3 wheels. Okay.
You need your giant wheel.
Okay, I'm obviously blind, so...
You need the giant wheel. That does not do 11 damage. 11%.
Okay, I don't
Hey,
really
Jax,
care about
there's
that.
actually...
Let me go back on the 5-star one.
There's one thing.
That does what? What does it do?
There's one that does 11 power. Just try every single one.
And where's my 4? I'm just gonna spend all my money on that. Get a... This one's just magical. I don't have that much stuff anymore. But I don't need that much stuff anymore. I don't care about that. I really don't. Let me get my stickers. So I have a new gem sticker. This symbolizes... These symbolize my loves and passions. I just wanted to show them, I'm better than you. Oh, embodies wheels. Okay, this is my main one, so I'll do it. I'll do it to win. I will do it to win. Oh, okay, watch. Tap to watch. Am I gonna win?
Yeah.
Yes, I win. Because you guys know that. You guys know this. I just win. Because this is so easy. And I get money for it. Okay. Just, honestly, I'm gonna pick that. Drag the parts you want to bet. I honestly think I won't do this. So I'm gonna go do that one. Go back. Yeah, I'm sure about that. Don't really think.
Jackson, you have to go up here.
So I don't. Okay, I defended myself 5 times. Player was promoted to the next stage. Oh, you got promoted to the next stage? Okay, good. Oh. I just gotta get up. I gotta fight. I gotta win 14 fights.
You lost.
Really?
Yeah, I know.
And I'm gonna lose. Okay, so I need to upgrade mine? Is that what it said? Wait, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Because he's closer. That was a boring fight, honestly.
How did he lose and win? You finished.
I'm gonna win. Max, I'm gonna win.
No, you can lose.
No, because he's closer. See? And I'm not as close. See,
you were close.
These ones are kind of not the best. Not me. Galaxy Jack is wrecking everybody.
Well,
except that guy, okay? He lost. I win. Yay.
No, you lost.
No, because I went up a little bit, but he didn't go anywhere. I need to change my thing.
Yeah, you lost.
No, I didn't. He lost.
Mm.
I got 7 wins. Killzo.
So you won 10,
Okay.
9 fights.
Let me go back.
You won 8 fights.
Wait, so am I in second place?
Yeah. You're in second place.
Oh no, I'm in 5th place. Okay. So.
Oh, I tell you were in 5th place.
Because I am. Stop, Max. I need to move faster. I need to get the Titan. Titan, baby.
You need the giant wheel. So you will move better. That only fits one thing.
That's good, okay.
Now let's fight.
Now let's do that for no reason at all. No, that wouldn't be good. What else works on that? The repulsor button. The repulsor kind of sucks. You got the doggy one up here. You got the
Diamond.
You got
bomb.
the diamond right there. What goes on that spot? That thing would go on that spot, but
You don't want it.
does this have the repulsor? Yeah, this has the repulsor. I need the repulsor on this car.
It's right at the end.
I'm gonna take that off. And this is for decoration. Okay? So don't yell at me in the comments. That's like, it's useless. Okay, I'm gonna watch the fight.
It's useless.
Oh, so most people bet on that.
You won. How did you win?
I didn't. I lost. I finally lost.
Free.
Covered your lost part. Fine. Recovered all your perks. Okay. King James. That one.
Both do.
That one's gonna win. Okay, honestly, I don't care about this kind of classic.
No, that one's good.
But I have another one.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Be quiet.
No, you don't.
We're on a video. Be quiet.
Be quiet.
I defend it. Oh, so here. Hacker's back.
You won.
Nicosaurus.
You just destroyed him.
Destroyed her. I need to win 6 fights. Oh, that was close. Honestly, you put up a good fight. Okay, that's understandable.
He had more health than you. He has more health than you.
Darn it. I'm too high.
Yeah. You need
And
to
he
go low.
has the repulsor. I'm not winning that many.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not winning.
He just keeps on winning. You won.
I finally. Okay, I had 5 and I had a bunch of things. Why does that even matter?
He did not even pick you up.
You suck. You honestly suck.
Because you didn't move.
You just got me a free win. Honestly. I have 16 wins. I have 14 wins now.
Bye, guys.
Okay, so don't I have 4? I only have 10. Okay, guys, in a row. How to promote? Wait, so I have when timer ends. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Bye.
Bye.